Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me, and if I understand the question, they want to be able to draw a circle in between these two items. That the items are different lengths, and they don't want to work in the center of the page, which in this case probably wouldn't really help you. So we're going to make two items, and we're going to make them different sizes. Now, I don't know if he wants them. He wants them grouped together. Let me get rid of that indexing line. But what you could do, if you wanted these two to be entered, you could select both of them and hit the letter E, like Edward, on your keyboard, and it'll be equal. Now these are equal. Now, if you have Snap to guidelines on, the guidelines are only going to snap. So if we bring in a guideline, okay, let's group these together like he wanted. So Control G, that X is there, but it doesn't snap to that X. But if you get near your line, it snaps to the midpoint on both sides. If you can see that. See, here we're on the edge, there we're on the midpoint. But how do you get a guideline to snap this way? There's nothing there. So put your guideline on that line, get out your parallel dimension tool, and go from that edge, start moving and hold down the control button, and we're at 5.93. And that's a little tricky one, so let Corel do the math. So we'll go 5.93 divided by /2, and you get 2.965, and then nudge that over, get rid of that measurement. That is the middle of everything. So he said something about drawing an ellipse in between them, just for instance. Go to that intersection, hold down the shift and the control button, and that's in the middle of both of them. Anyway, I hope that was a question and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.